You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood Yoruba industry has made considerable progress to get one of the top industries in the Nigerian movie scene, and we have a vast number of actors who include normally in Yoruba movies. What's surprising is that some of these actors and actresses are not from the Yoruba part of the country, however has figured out how to exceed expectation as featuring in a decent number of Yoruba movies, which regularly has caused the fans to accept they have Yoruba origin. Below is rundown of Nollywood actors who are from other parts of Nigeria besides the southwest. Popular actress, filmmaker and producer Toyin Abraham was born on 5th of September 1984 in Auchi, a town in Edo State in southern Nigeria, but spent her early life in Ibadan, the capital of Oyo State in southern Nigeria. Nollywood actress, director and businesswoman Mercy Aigbe is best known for her Yoruba indigenous movie. Mercy Aigbe has her origin in Edo State, Nigeria. Nollywood actress Elizabeth Omowumi Tekovi Da Silva, otherwise called Liz Da Silva, is known for her roles in Yoruba movies. She hails from Togo and she was born in Lagos. Popular actress, filmmaker, producer and director Fitia Williams is popular for her roles in Yoruba movies and is often referred to as a veteran. The 50-year-old actress is of Okwara descent in Ethiopia East local government area of Delta State. Nollywood actress Rose Odika is one of the pride of the Yoruba movie, and she's a celebrated thespian. She's from Anochia North, Nselukun in Delta State. Nollywood actress Regina Chukwu has featured in a lot of Yoruba movies. Regina hails from Enugu State but born and raised in Lagos State, where attended Alimosho Grammar School for her secondary school education. Popular Nollywood actor Kelvin Ngozi Ikuduba, otherwise called Kelvin Ikeduba, is originally from an Igbo-speaking tribe of Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria. However, the television personality was born and brought up in Temeta, Lagos State, in southwestern part of Nigeria. Ricardo Okeagbo, famously known as Ricardo Agbo, is one of the gifted Nigerian actors who act both Yoruba and English movies. Ricardo was brought up in Lagos State, however initially from Delta State. Award-winning actress and television presenter Doris Simon was born on July 22nd. Doris, whose parents are from Okpela in Benin, Edo State, was born in Lagos. Lilian Bola Baj is a Nigerian actress who is predominantly known for her jobs in English motion picture. Eventually, she chose to shoot a Yoruba film, and a few of her fans were astonished. At the point when gotten some information about it, she said, the stylish actress is born to a Polish father and a Nigerian mother. Veteran Nollywood actress Clarion Chukwura is one of the mainstream names in Nollywood, primarily known for her roles in English movies, but also some Yoruba movies. She is originally from Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but was brought up in Lagos. Actress Anna Mark was not a well-known face until her path came across Nollywood icon Yemi Sholade, who is presently her husband. She hails from Cross River State. Rachel Oniga Tabuno is a well-known Nollywood actress, aspiring movie producer and a television personality. Rachel Oniga is originally from Ipu, a modest community in Delta State in the southern part of Nigeria. Popular actor, MC and TV presenter MC Kirikiri is an Hausa man from Sokoto State who grew up in Agege area of Lagos.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.